Hello guys, I'm Ahalu Quest to tell you in this tutorial how to download or install any laptops, any PC driver quickly. Just I have installed the one operating system that is the Windows 11, but Windows 8, 8.1 or 7 or 10 on any Windows, on any laptops. This strategy will be applicable to quick install driver. Either it is a Wi-Fi, especially chips card or graphics drivers, all the driver, how do you especially in the one clicks install it after downloading. So see, simply we will come in a Windows search bar. In a Windows search bar, guys, here, just let me zoom so that it will be a more visible for you. Let me fans. What we will do, guys, here, just to check it out. Here, just we will have to write UP. Just we will go for update, check for update, and here now see, automatically we will have to click here to check for update. So automatically this operating system driver, especially whatever we needed, that recommend to you automatically, guys. Directly manually also you can download or you can install it, or directly if you go for download and install, then automatically it will be also. So manually if I go for, then here is option that we will go in advanced to, of course, here in advance. Here just we will come and see optimize update and delivery optimizations, and we can see here optional update. So here is especially given 10 driver approximately that we need. So all the driver we would like to especially, so just we will select all the driver, or now see all the driver is going to install quickly. So in advanced to optional and quickly see what are actually needed, that will recommend to you. Just we will go for download. So now see it has started to especially downloads. So we will have to wait for time being, and upon everything will be yes, after downloading everything will be installed automatically. So now see this is not highlighted now, so automatically it has started to downloads. You will have to wait and watch, and then of course it will be installed completely. Now see, yes, it's waiting, and now it has started. See, device is missing important actually security, and this thing is coming, no problem at all. But don't worry, this driver has been completed, Lenovo system, etc. These things. Now here we can see it has started to download. 100% is one completed. Now this is all are, it's one is a pending, this is a especially retail, this is a completed. So which one is a recommended? That's, and now it's starting to especially now restart. But firstly let it complete, because this is a Intel management engines that is especially installing right now. So all the driver will be installed, and thereupon of course we will go for quick here to restart. So let it firstly complete, and thereupon, because here see 35% is now it's installing, so quickly it will be installed everything. So this is all about, guys. For the main inquiry, of course, I have the query below in the comment box. Please would remind to the reply or query. This driver downloading strategy will be applicable on any operating system, either Windows 10, Windows 11, or 8.1 or 7, or on any laptop desktop, guys. But firstly, you will have to connect the internet connections. This is all about. Thank you very much indeed. And the further main inquiry, of course, I have the query below the comment box. So pleasure would be matched to reply your query. So thank you very much indeed. Bye bye.